Hello everybody, Hardcore Gamer here, aka Yagboy from Xbox Live and the PlayStation Network, here to do my unboxing for a new headphone I got today. These are the Polk Hinge. Here's what the front of the box looks like. The side says music. Other side says Polk. And here's the back of the box. Shows you everything it comes with. Okay. So when I do an unboxing, right there in the top it says open other end. So the bottom. Let's see. Yeah, there's tape on both sides I want to say. And the main reason I'm putting this on YouTube is I haven't really seen any videos of this, which I think is kind of strange. So, and I'm trying to do this all with one hand. Sorry about that, everybody. And yes, I know in all the videos, everybody's like, get a tripod, get a tripod. Unless somebody wants to send me one, that would be amazing. Trying to do this with one hand is a little difficult. And it's a pull tab, which is actually cool. Oh, come on. Here's the headset themselves with this cloth bag. Here is the 3.5mm jack with the mic. The mic will work on Android devices, but the up and down of the volume controls will not. Oh, jeez. Having the worst unboxing ever, people, huh? Oh, that's why. This is all taped. That's why you cannot get these out. That's a little lame. Come on now. Showing you my messed up knee. Let's see how these look. Which I wish it would have gave you another type of bag, because this little cloth thing is going to get dirty and it's not going to protect it from falls. Oh my god, they stuck this in a plastic baggie. Look at this. Yeah, plastic baggie with, you put your sandwiches in. What the fuck? One second. Okay. Ouch, shit. So this is going to be the brown and white. There's the sides of it. Top. It feels like leather. Other side. And they fold, of course, like that. Cool. Let's see. Where does the plug go? Oh, right here. It's kind of dark, but it goes right here. Great. This has been my unboxing for the Polk Hinge headphones. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. Thanks a lot, and ciao.